Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to bypass Captcha anime adventures. Captchas are designed to differentiate between human and bot interactions. Some Captchas like the ReviewQuasar or no Captcha widget are relatively simple, requiring a basic action such as clicking on a checkbox. However, even with these simple interactions, it can be sophisticated, tracking mouse movement to detect bots. Still, simpler Captchas can often be automated with tools like Cypress. To automate the Captcha interactions with simple Captchas, you can use Cypress, a popular JavaScript testing framework. Just note that this approach is only effective for simple Captcha implementations. More advanced Captchas like those with mouse movement analysis are much harder to bypass, and modern Captchas are designed to detect automated interactions. This workaround may fail if the Captcha system uses more advanced technique detections. So, unfortunately, if you don't know coding, there is nothing to do, just pass the Captcha and you will be going back to your game. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.